Children, now since you have learned how to factorize the quadratic equation by factorization method, formula method, completing square method, now let's move on to the last part of this chapter where we'll learn few more word problems and the last part of the chapter. Okay, let's start. So it says that A takes 6 days less. A takes 6 days less than B to finish a certain work. And if both A and B can together finish in 4 days, find the time taken by B to finish the work. I'll just help you how to frame the equation. Rest, it will your task to solve that quadratic equation. Okay. Now since A is taking 6 days less, let us assume that B takes X number of days to finish the work. I'm assuming that B takes X number of days to finish the work. In short, then what will be A taking? A will be taking amount of time taken by B minus 6. Correct? That's what we'll try to solve this now. So see, let a number of days taken by B to finish a work be X days. Then days taken by A will be X minus 6. So, and if they try together, they take 4 days to complete the work. Now, how much work they will do, A will do alone in 1 day, and how much work B will do in 1 day, and how much work they will do together. That should be equal. So, amount of work done by A in 1 day will be 1 upon the number of days. What is number of days? X minus 6. It is 1 upon X minus 6. Amount of work done by A in 1 day, amount of work done by B in 1 day. So, together they are taking 4 days. So the amount of work they are doing in 1 day will be 1 by 4. Am I right? Okay. So now you will cross multiply. You will solve the equations. You will get a quadratic equation. You will factorize it either by formula method or by factorization method to get the answer. Okay. Next, 9,000 were divided equally among a certain number of persons. Now see, I am dividing 9,000 rupees among you children. Now I don't know how many children are present in the class, but I'm making sure that everybody is getting equal amount. So let I say I'm giving X amount, I can say, correct? So had there been 20 more persons, if 20 children might have been added, each child would have got 160 rupees less. So I want to find the total number of actual children in the class or actual number of people. So let total number of people be X. So how much amount everybody will be getting initially? 9,000 by X. This total amount I am distributing is 9,000 and there are X people. So each person will get 9,000 upon X. Now if I increase X by 20, that is previously I had X people. Now I have X plus 20 people. So the amount has to be less. Correct? How much it has to be less? It has to be 160 rupees less from this case and the new case. In the new case, how much you will get? You will get 9,000 upon X plus 20. This much amount you will get. This amount and this amount subtraction should be how much? 160. Correct? So see, this is what I have said. So it should be 9,000 upon X minus 9,000 upon X plus 20 equal to 160. We will cross multiply and solve the answer. Okay, so till now we were trying to factorize the equation. That is, we were trying to find the roots of the equation. What we were doing? We were finding the roots of the equation. One of them was named as alpha, other was named as beta. So the equation would have been at the end like this: x minus alpha, one of the root, another root might be x minus beta. Correct? Now the good thing is, if I multiply these two roots, that is x minus alpha and x minus beta, again I move on to my original question. Now reverse way. They have given the roots, you have to find the equation. They have given the roots, you have to find the equation. So say the equation will be in this form: x square minus alpha plus beta x plus alpha beta equal to 0. How did I get this equation? I've just multiplied them. If I multiply these two brackets, this is what I will get. I will get x square minus sum of roots plus product of roots. So if I know alpha beta, I can find the quadratic equation also. Let's see. In generalized way, you can write x square minus sum of roots. Sum means addition of roots, and here it is product of roots. Okay. Now let us see what is sum of roots and what is product of roots. Now reverse way, if I know ax square plus bx plus c is my quadratic equation, what is the answer for sum of roots and what is the answer for product of roots? So sum of roots is given as minus b by a, that is minus coefficient of x upon coefficient of x square. Same way for product of roots, I'll get c by a, that is constant term upon a. Okay, now some basic relation, that is a minus b the whole square is equal to a plus b the whole square minus 4ab. This will be using it in our sums to solve a very important identity. If you solve LHS RHS, you will get the answer same, that is alpha minus beta the whole square is equal to alpha plus beta the whole square minus 4 alpha beta. Okay. See, obtain quadratic equation of if roots are minus 3 and minus 7. It means alpha is given as minus 3, beta is given as minus 7. First I'll find sum of roots, that comes out to be minus 10. Then I'll find product of root, it comes out to be 21. So the equation becomes x square minus sum of roots times x plus alpha beta equal to 0. That is, I'll get the equation as x square plus 10x plus 21 equal to 0. Okay. A very good question. You will solve in polynomials also. If alpha beta are roots of this equation, find alpha square plus beta square and alpha cube plus beta cube. Now there are two ways to solve. One way is, if you are able to factorize it, you can factorize it and find alpha beta, or else try to write what is alpha plus beta and what is alpha beta for this equation. So see here, a is 1, b is minus 2, c is minus 7. First I am writing alpha plus beta. So what is alpha plus beta for us? Alpha plus beta is minus b by a. So what is b? Minus 2. So minus of minus 2 upon a, that is 1. So I get alpha plus beta as 2 and alpha beta is minus 7. Also we know the identity that a plus b the whole square is equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab. I want to find this value, that is a square plus b square. In short, alpha square plus beta square. So what is the formula for this? A plus b the whole square minus 2ab. This is what I have written. I know what is alpha plus beta. I know what is alpha beta. I'll substitute and I'll get the answer. Now same way I'll solve this. That is a cube plus b cube. What is the formula for a cube plus b cube? A plus b, a square minus ab plus b square. I know what is alpha plus beta. I know what is alpha square plus beta square right now from here. And I also know what is alpha beta. I'll substitute the values and I'll get the answer. Okay. So I'll get answer to be 50. Clear? So many things can be asked based on these type of equations. You will solve more type of sums in polynomials also. Okay. Now see, a very important question. The difference between the roots is given. Difference means alpha minus beta is given as 7. Okay. So last time I've taught you identity. A minus b the whole square can be written as a plus b the whole square minus 4ab. Correct? Now substitute the subsequent values. What is alpha minus beta? 7. Alpha plus beta कितना है? 13. Alpha beta कितना है? K. So I'll substitute the values. I'll get the value of K as 30. Okay. So here I have ended this chapter. You please try to solve maximum sums. Try to focus more on factorization directly, but that will help you in solving word problems more better than the formula method. Also, I just forgot to mention one part, that your b square minus 4ac is called as delta. Also it is called as discriminant. It is called as discriminant. Okay. Discriminant. And another name for b square minus 4ac, that is discriminant, or it is called as delta. Okay. Thank you very much for watching and solving the worksheet as per given schedule. Thank you.